Have you noticed a subtle sound from a hybrid vehicle that's running almost silently and wondered why it's there? Behind that subtle tone lies a smart technology built to make every journey safer. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we're exploring AVAS, or Acoustic Vehicle Alerting System, a smart pedestrian warning technology. While silence enhances comfort, it may reduce an important safety cue. Hybrid cars are extremely quiet at low speeds, which can make them hard for pedestrians to notice. AVAS uses external speakers to emit a low-level audible alert, especially when the vehicle is running in electric mode. On hybrid cars, this alert sound can be heard up to around 5 feet from the vehicle. The system is most effective at low speeds, where engine noise is minimal or absent. AVAS also helps the vehicle comply with AIS 173, India's safety standard for pedestrian warning systems. A simple sound that adds an important layer of safety for people around the car. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.